Since we have started our A levels, the progress, it's really motivating. To support our A level students, we have started an internship program where our year 12 and year 13 students, according to their career choices, they have participated in different companies. This is a kind of like real life experience for them, before going forward to university.
I recently finished my year 12 studies at Light International Mombasa, and during my 2 weeks experience at AA by Yusuf company, I've learned quite a few things. In order for the road construction to take place, we need the road construction vehicles, and one of them is the excavator, and it is used to dig the soil. We also have a roller which compacts the soil and the gravel, thus making the road smooth and flat. And we also have a tipper which is used to transport the soil. The biggest problem that this road construction company faces is the weather. So when it rains, this makes the excavation harder.
I've been working at the administrator's office, HR, the lobby, reception, and also library. I'm looking forward to working at the accountant's office too. I've learned how to organize things, how to account on everything, how to communicate to people. I've been around my age mates, but right now I know how to communicate to other age groups, and also how to work under pressure. Organization has been the key, and without that I've learned that I can't do anything without that.
During the last 2 weeks, we've been able to come firsthand with the processes from when the patient comes in to the point where they go out. This has opened our eyes in knowing from the examination to the diagnosis. Fortunately for us, we've come across some processes that we were able to witness and learn from.
So this experience has allowed us to know what to look forward to when we actually do become doctors one day. In conclusion, we would like to thank the hospital and our school, Light International, for giving us this amazing opportunity to go through this internship.
My current position is a front desk trainee. Basically what I do is that I work with the guests that check in and check out, and any of the guests' concerns and complaints. And I've also handled bookings of guests that would like to sleep in the hotel. My supervisor is the secretary. I've learned a lot through this hotel. I've learned how to communicate with complete strangers and how to welcome them and be friendly with them. I've also learned how to talk professionally to your colleagues, your fellow trainees, and your supervisors. How to maintain being professional without letting any of negative feedbacks, for example, let me down. I've had a bit of problems here and there, but I've learned ways to overcome it. I would like to appreciate Light International as a school for coming up with this program. It has really helped me. And I would also like to appreciate the hotel for inviting a complete stranger that has no background in dealing with guests and just taking this risk as a whole.
Thanks to LIS Mombasa and AA by Yusuf, I got this opportunity to work at the company in Marafa. They are currently building a road from Sabaki Bridge to Marafa town, and I'm grateful to be part of that team. During my 2 weeks internship in the company, I've learned a lot that will help me in my future career.
Thanks to the school, I've gotten the great opportunity to come work at Issa Pets veterinary clinic and learn how to take care and treat animals. While I've been here, I've learned how to treat cats, how to diagnose them, same with dogs, how to handle dogs who are aggressive or not, large, small, any size. And it's all thanks to the school that I've been able to do this.
We started work on Monday 14th June, but before that we had a pre-visit with our teachers just to scope out the place and see where we would be working. When we started Monday, the timing was from 9 to 5, and the first 2 days we basically shadowed everyone that were here just to see what we would be doing when we officially started work. Everyone welcomed us with open arms. They were all so kind. The main things that we worked on were the reception area and how patients came in and how to book them an appointment or to do lab requests. We also worked at the pharmacy. We learned about drugs and how to administer drugs from the doctors or if they were walk-in patients. We also learned how to take vital signs. The nurse showed us, where we basically take the patients into the room, we weigh them, we take their temperature and we take their blood pressure if they're adults, but if they're under the age of 18, we use a pulse oximeter. And once we've recorded down those vital signs, we go back to the reception area and we put their vitals under their name. So basically we log them in. And most fun experience for, I think, both of us were doing the COVID experience. It was amazing. We learned how to properly dress for the occasion and how the swabs are done and how to properly put them back in the tube and how they're administered and the results printing. The experience was amazing, and I think I learned many new things that I will be using later on in life.
We're thankful to Health Source for letting us learn more about.
Thank you.
I've currently been doing internship at Dr. Adil Ghulam's dental clinic located in Makadara. I have observed and learned multiple things. I've learned about the root canal treatment, extractions and removal of teeth, seen scaling and polishing, also many fillings. I've also learned about the chemistry behind reactions in the mouth, for example, acid-base reaction which causes tooth decay. I have also learned about the biology and the blood in the mouth. Thank you to Dr. Adil for allowing me to do internship here.
I'm currently doing an internship at Al Anwar Architects located at Texas Building. I'm currently working on a school project in designing a school canteen, as you can see here. I would like to thank Mr. Zuhair and his colleagues for giving me an opportunity to experience what it takes to be an architect.
My experience over the last couple of weeks has been great. I've gotten the experience that I hope to get in terms of learning about law and how it works in an office setting and also in a court setting. I've learned the basics of law, and I've also gone into particular fields a little bit, like civil law and conveyancing. I appreciate being given the opportunity to get the practical skills and knowledge that I would need to go into this field.
Mine is to give a vote of thanks to all the parties involved, from AA by Yusuf to Light International School teachers, for this amazing opportunity. Thank you.
We have been able to post over 25 students in different companies and organizations in Mombasa and out of Mombasa. The program has been very beneficial to our students because they get to have skills that they will need in the university and also in future as they start to work. Most of the competitive universities across the globe will not only look for the academic prowess of the learners, they also look for an extra activity the student has engaged themselves in. And internship has been one of the key focus that these top universities look for.